Hey y'all, Chrishinda here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do regular 2-strand twists. I'll have other video tutorials linked for you to check out. Let's get started. 2-strand twists, you're going to be splitting your hair into 2 even sections. For your left hand, you're going to be using your thumb, index, and middle. For your right hand, you're going to be using your thumb and index. But you're also going to be using your right hand to hook the next strand. So you can either use your middle hook, which is your middle finger only, or you can use what I call the big grip, which is these 3 fingers. So you're going to hook the hair or hook the strand. As you're twisting, make sure you're keeping the hair in the circle area. One thing to make sure that you're doing is every time you're going to pass a strand over, you are going to smooth it as you pass. Smooth it as you pass. Smooth it as you pass, okay? We're going to start the twist by getting a good grip on both strands. We are going to hold each strand with our thumb, index, and middle on both hands. Your hands kind of look like binoculars at this point. So get a good grip with thumb, index, and middle. And now we're going to smooth the strand as we pass it. Anytime you pass it, you're going to smooth. The left strand is going to go under to the right middle hook. Now we're going to pass the top right strand that's between my thumb and index over to my left thumb, index, middle. Let it go. Now I have 1 strand in the left hand, 1 strand in the right hand. The right strand is in my right middle hook, but I need it to be between my right thumb and index. So I'm going to switch the grip of this strand from my middle hook to my right thumb and index, because this strand over here is going to get hooked again with my right middle hook. So now it's just like we're starting all over. The left is going under to my right middle hook. We're going to pass this top strand over to my left thumb, index, and middle. Switch the grip on my right hand from middle to these 2, and you just keep going. As you're twisting, make sure that your hands stay close to the part that you've already twisted. You see how close it is? What you don't want to do is twist with your hands so far down and this part is twisted, but you see this big gap right here? It should not be a big gap like that. Your hands need to be close. The further down you twist, the looser that twist is going to be, okay? When you get to the end, it is not going to be enough hair for you to do a full hook like this. So you're just going to clamp the hair right there between your index and middle finger. And that's how you do a regular 2-strand twist. I hope you found this tutorial to be super helpful. I would love it if you would share, repost, like, and especially comment on this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until my next video, bye.